Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing work authorization in Thailand. For those who are unaware, foreigners who come to Thailand and wish to undertake work do need to obtain a work permit. They need to, or some sort of work authorization. For example, smart visas may have their work authorization embedded therein. There are certain visas associated with representative offices which may not require work authorization. Again, it's sort of embedded therein. And as they've discussed, although we haven't seen it actually rolled out yet, the so-called long-term residence visas, which as we've discussed aren't actually residence visas, they're just kind of a long stay type of visa. These visas may also provide work authorization, again, depending on circumstances, depending on the category. And again, we haven't actually seen it rolled out, so it's going to be interesting to see how that works. But something that I do think probably looks like it's going to be more promising for a lot of foreigners coming to Thailand arose in a recent article from the Thai PBS World. That's thaipbsworld.com. And I urge those who are watching this video maybe check out that article. A lot of information in there. Article is titled, Thai Cabinet Approves Eastern Economic Corridor Free Trade Zone. Quoting directly, the Cabinet approved a proposal from the EEC, Eastern Economic Corridor Policy Committee today, Tuesday, to upgrade the status of the EEC from a, quote, special economic zone, unquote, to a, quote, free trade zone, unquote, in which incentives such as income tax breaks, further easing of employment restrictions for foreigners, and that's key for us here, VAT exemption for tourists buying goods there, and permits for 24 hours of recreational activities and liquor sales will be granted to businesses in the area. Quoting further, foreigners in the EEC will be allowed to work in jobs which are currently restricted. Tourists and travelers will be exempt from customs duties and excise taxes on the purchase of locally made products sold in the aviation city for the first 10 years. So interesting, a lot going on there. And exactly how this plays out, for me, remains to be seen. I'm kind of as stumped as anybody. So anything I talk about with respect to the practicalities of this would be pure speculation. But this is definitely a major sea change. And if this comes about, I think it will have tremendous ramifications for both businesses looking to invest in Thailand, as well as foreign nationals looking to travel to Thailand and come and work here.